Ever wondered how we see the world around us? How does the human eye, a small yet complex organ, make this possible? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Our eyes, just like a camera, are designed to capture and process images. Imagine the cornea as the camera's lens cover, the first point of contact for light. It bends the light and sends it to the lens, which is our eye's zoom function, adjusting the focus to create a clear image. Next, we have the retina, which acts like a camera's film or digital sensor. It captures the image, converts it into electrical signals, and sends it to the brain via the optic nerve, our biological version of a camera's data cable. All these components work in sync, allowing us to perceive the vibrant colors, breathtaking landscapes, and subtle details of our surroundings. So the eye is not just a window to the world, but a sophisticated camera that captures and interprets everything we see. Now that we know the basic parts of the eye, how do these parts work together to create the images we see? Well, let's simplify it a bit. Think of your eye like a camera. When you take a photograph, light enters the camera lens and is focused onto a sensor, right? In the same way, light enters your eye through the cornea, the clear front surface of your eye, much like a camera's glass lens. This light then passes through the pupil, the dark circular opening in the center of the eye, and reaches the lens. The lens, a clear structure located behind the iris, focuses this light onto a light-sensitive surface at the back of your eye called the retina. At the retina, the light is transformed into electrical signals. These signals then travel along the optic nerve, a kind of cable connecting the eye to the brain. It's here in the brain where these signals are interpreted and transformed into the images you see. In essence, our eyes capture the light around us and our brain translates it into the colorful world we experience. Isn't it fascinating how our eyes and brain work together to give us the gift of sight? The process begins when light enters our eyes through the cornea. This transparent front part of the eye focuses the light, which then passes through the pupil, the small black circle in the center of our eye. The size of this circle adjusts depending on the amount of light around us, thanks to the iris, the colored part of our eye. Once through the pupil, light hits the lens, which flips the image upside down and sends it to the retina at the back of our eye. Here, the magic happens. Millions of photoreceptor cells convert light into electrical signals that travel through the optic nerve to our brain, which flips the image right side up again and interprets what we see. This intricate and efficient process lets us perceive a wide array of colors, depths, and movements. So next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset or a work of art, remember the incredible process that allows you to enjoy these visual wonders.